County in northeast Illinois, northern Kane County in northeast Illinois, Lake County in northeast Illinois, McHenry County in northeast Illinois, until 9 o'clock p.m. At 7:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 5 miles west of Marengo to Lake Villa to Beach Park to 9 miles northeast of Glencoe, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Beach Park, Pistakee Highlands, Fox Lake, Zion, Wonder Lake, Antioch, Winthrop Harbor, Harvard, McCullum Lake, Wadsworth, Sunnyside, Spring Grove, Lake Catherine, Channel Lake, Richmond and Hebron.
Oh, doubleheader!
Channel Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Illinois Beach State Park, Lake County Fielders Baseball, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Doubleheader!
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 9:30 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds 34 knots or greater and large hail from 5 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor to 10 nautical miles northeast of Wilmette Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. These severe thunderstorms will pass near Winthrop Harbor, Wilmette Harbor. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. Monday evening for northeastern Illinois.